The S&P 500 is a simple market cap weighted index. The larger the market cap, the more money invested in. It is very difficult to outperform S&P 500, despite its simple methodology. To beat S&P 500, much more complex function is required, and vast amount of data should be processed. Through the deep neural network, complex function could be modeled with data. This way, AI can assign smarter weights to build an optimal AI portfolio. Researchers at hedge fund put a lot of effort to find such functions, or alpha patterns. Researcher develops a certain strategy and backtest it for validation. Hedge funds have over 1,000 researchers searching for the alpha patterns. What if this manpower-intensive research process switched to an AI-based research process? Finding alpha patterns becomes much faster and cheaper. A well-known example of such alpha pattern is price-to-book ratio, which could be expressed as a tree. The number of combinations on this simple tree is 40 million cases. Accurate factors could be expressed, but the number of cases would exceed billions and trillions. AI can find complex functions by reducing huge search space, very similar to how AI is applied in the Go game. Testing all the possible paths in the Go game is impossible for both human and AI. A skilled Go game player reduces search space with his intuition and experience. AlphaGo reduces search space through deep reinforcement learning. The same technology can be applied to find a complex function that beats the market. At Craft, we use an AutoML algorithm to automatically find the alpha factors. As AI learns to find more and more factors, complex alpha factors could be found in deeper branch. Factor Factory combines data to generate factor trees, test for validation, and stack them in factor pool. Strategy Factor uses this factor pool and learns how to optimize a prediction-based non-linear deep learning portfolio. Alpha Factory, which combines Factor Factory with Strategy Factory, can generate alpha at a lower cost. Alpha Factory can solve the inefficiency of the conventional alpha researching and portfolio optimization. By processing massive data through Alpha Factory, AI can predict if each stock will outperform or underperform with 55% hit ratio. But when applied to more than 500 stocks in S&P 500 universe, overall hit ratio on the portfolio level becomes higher than 70% by the law of large numbers. With the automated system, Craft can build 5 AI-driven active index ETFs for 1 month with less than 5 people. Most asset management firms spend more than 6 months with 10 to 20 people to make only 1 active index ETF. The difference in efficiency can change so many things in asset management. Craft listed 2 AI ETFs on NYSE, QRFT and AMOM, automatically managed through AI in May 2019. All Craft ETFs are the top performers in each of their category. QRFT outperformed the S&P 500 index by 16 percentage points. And AMOM outperformed the S&P 500 Momentum Index by 21 percentage points. Both ETFs beat all its peer by large margin. We are the world's first and the only company that has proved that asset management can be automated with AI with the real track records on NYSE. At Craft, we democratize alpha and revolutionize the asset management industry with artificial intelligence.